Hello everyone, welcome back again. The lesson of this script you are going to study the new lesson, the new topic. The topic of this video, it talk about we live in the suburbs. We live in the suburbs. พวกเขาอาศัยอยู่เขตชานเมืองพวกเขาอาศัยอยู่เขตชานเมือง You can see from the picture on the right or left hand is the same. This is a right hand, this is a left hand. Are you ready? If you are ready, let us go and practice by yourself as much as you can and make your understanding as much as clear for you. Let us go see the detail. This is the phrase city map. City map. แผนที่ตัวเมืองแผนที่ตัวเมือง Next one. From the first is Terminer ท่าเรือข้ามฟากท่าเรือข้ามฟาก Next let's see number 2 word number 2 apartments apartment let's see number 3 word stores ห้านค้า next see word number 4 downtown ตัวเมือง continue to number 5 phrases number 5 taxi stand ป้ายรอท่ารถแท็กซี่ move on to number 6 phrases number 6 subway station สถานีรถไฟใต้ดิน continue to number 7 phrases number 7 train station สถานีรถไฟ continue to phrases number 8 bus station สถานีรถเมล์ continue to word number 9 suburbs ชานเมือง continue to word number 10 cool not cool the correct sound is cool โรงเรียน continue to the word number 11 houses เรือนบ้าน continue to number 12 word number 12 country บ้านนอก this video this lesson this script will break here. See you the next video, the next lesson, the next script. Million thanks for all of you have the subscribe and follow on my YouTube, on Facebook page, Messenger, and especially for the WhatsApp to create to encourage me create the new lesson for you. Thank you again.